This is Nagesh from BMC Software. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to install TSSA-DW 8.9 SP4 application. Environment details: Linux with Oracle 11G API. Before installing the application, please make sure all these prerequisites should be installed on the application server, and please make sure the external or mobile xmin should be available and installed in the application server where we are going to install the TSSA-DW. Please verify the UMOD settings in the application server. These are the prerequisite libraries for TSSA-DW 8.9 SP4. Now let's start the installation of TSSA-DW 8.9 SP4. This is my application server. Here I have copied the installer and unzipped this TSSA-DW 8.9 SP4 P2 Linux 64 chip file. And this is the disk 1. Once you unzip the installer, navigate to this particular path, disk 1, and make sure there is a required file, that is setup.bin. Now the installer launched. Select the language. Setup is in the process. Select the license agreement and then click on next. This is the default directory as per the installation. Default directory for the agent logs. The installer prompt for the Oracle 32-bit or 64-bit client installation. This is a prerequisite database client for the application to communicate with the DB host. I have provided the exact Oracle client installer path. Let me test. Provided a password for DW user, and please make sure you remember this password. We'll keep the existing web ports as it is and click on next. Installation directory. Now it is installed. You can see it was installed successfully. We should go with the post-install configuration steps by taking URL of these. Let's continue the post-installation steps in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.